so perfect. Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Leaving Korea Diaries vlog. This is episode 4. I can't believe I've done 4 of these so far. If you're new here, this year I am finally moving back to the US after living in Korea for the past 6 years. So to say the least, life over the past few months has been a bit crazy, but that's okay because it is all just part of the process. So welcome back to a new vlog where I show you guys a little glimpse of my life over these last few months. This is one of my favorite vlogs because we just do so much fun stuff in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, of course, as usual, leave them down in the comments. I am so excited for what's to come on my channel over the next few months. It's going to be so much exciting stuff, so make sure you're subscribed and you turn on your post notifications, and if you enjoy this vlog, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here. Let's go ahead and get started. Just trying on. Oh, they're only 21. Well, that was not an easy goodbye at all. Yeah, I did not expect to cry. If you guys know me, you know Sharon, literally my best friend here, longest friend, who just completely made my time here. That's the only way to say it. Okay, so I just came to get my new hair extensions. I am so happy because this shop, well actually not this shop, but oh, hi. She did my hair extensions 5 years ago, and I think she did them maybe like 6 or 7 times, probably more than that actually. You guys know I wore hair extensions for a long time here, and then I gave my hair some time off, and she actually just opened her own shop a couple years ago. It's in Gyeongseongdae in Busan. She matches it perfectly, and then also you can get like 2 tones. So back in the day I used to have a little blonde in my hair, so I used to get brown and blonde. This time we're just doing brown. So far so good. You guys see that length? I'm so happy. So perfect. I can't get anywhere that looks more natural than this, and it feels so lightweight. Like it doesn't even feel like I have anything in my hair, honestly. Thank you. Thank you. It's a pause for relief. Alright y'all, we are finally heading back home. I just had to go pick up another piece of paperwork from the vet. I'm in my feels. I mean, I've been in my feels, but a lot of the things that happen is like you'll get distracted, and then when you're all alone walking, like what I am doing right now, is when you're kind of just reminded of how big of like life changes you're going through. And I was texting my friend and I told her that the best way to kind of explain, maybe some of you guys can relate to this, but if you've ever been in a relationship that you've just outgrown and you still love that person but you've just outgrown it, that is the exact way I feel about leaving Korea. Because like I look around right now, I mean this is the old area I used to live in, right near the beach, and I'm just like, holy crap, like I love this place with all my heart. I love all the people that I've met. The beauty of it, like, hello, beautiful roses just right there. All the cute little cafes that open all the time. Hello, New Bagel and Coffee Cafe. I just want to remind you guys that because I never want people to see these videos of me leaving and get the impression that like I don't like this country, because I love it and it's just such an emotional time. That's how I feel. But anyways, we're gonna go home. I was supposed to go to Pilates, but I missed the class because I kind of took a while to get out of there, but it's okay. I was glad I could hang out at the hair salon. And we're gonna go home, kind of get settled, change into something comfier, and continue on with our evening. I'm actually simultaneously filming a packing vlog alongside this video, so I'll probably end up getting some more footage for that. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and say hello and talk about, you know, how it's going. Good morning. coming at you at what, like 8:30. I just took an hour bus to come to the vet where Cleo got her cataract surgery. If you guys didn't know, my dog got new eyes like a year ago, and I gotta stock up on her eye drops, so we're gonna go there and pick those up. I got here extra early because this is a busy, like famous, like nationally famous hospital, so it's always super busy. So I want to make sure I got here early so I didn't have to wait. And I gotta get a coffee because I did not have any coffee this morning, so we're gonna go pick up a coffee real quick, head over to the hospital, and then we have a busy day ahead. 감사합니다. There's nothing like that first sip of the day, especially when it's been delayed by 2 hours. When I leave Korea, I don't know what I'm gonna do about a nail artist, because the one I have right now here at Dion Nail is just so amazing. I love her so much, and this is just one of the small things I'm really gonna miss about Busan. It was a long appointment, but luckily I was able to keep myself very occupied by cleaning out my phone. If you guys are anything like me, your phone is probably full of stuff, just like videos and tons of apps you forgot you even had. That's why I've been using an app called Cleaner Guru. I wish I had downloaded it sooner. It's basically your phone's personal organizer. In just a few taps, it scans your phone for duplicate photos, blurry shots, screen recordings, videos that take up a lot of space, and then it lets you delete them instantly. It's so satisfying to watch your storage free up in real time. The app also does more than just clean up your photo gallery. It helps you manage things like your battery usage, enlarged files. Whether you guys are trying to free up some space on your phone before a trip or just avoid that dreaded storage full pop-up, you guys can grab it right from the app store. I've dropped a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself, and trust me, your phone will definitely thank you. Thank you so much to Cleaner Guru for sponsoring this video. All right, pedicure went very well. I got dark red on the toes, and then I'm going back there tomorrow for a manicure, but I ended up doing some random miscellaneous moving things, packing, and I did a couple post office runs. And now I'm getting ready to head back out. I have a dinner this evening with Bella. It's just gonna be like quick and casual. But before that, I'm actually stopping to pick up a couple months of supply from my medication from my psychiatrist. This is gonna be a goodbye that I am really not looking forward to. My psychiatrist, Dr. Kim, is somebody who significantly changed and improved my life. I don't know, like, he deserves like everything in this life. I just feel really lucky that I have several people that bring me to tears like this, let alone like a mental health doctor, because that's how you know that they've really helped you, like when you get emotional to say goodbye to them. I'm gonna stop at a bakery and pick up some stuff for both him and his front desk staff, because they're also equally as helpful. So that's our plan. Just wanted to chat about that real quick, because things are always so much, like there's always so much more going on behind the camera than what a lot of people realize. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to hear more about that. Obviously, I'll just share what I'm comfortable with. All right, let's go. I'll see you guys in a little bit. What a beautiful...
Mother
Definitely the black. It's my first time to have hodok not in Nampo. Oh my god. Good morning. It is the next morning at 8 o'clock. I just took Cleo out and now I'm getting ready for another packed day. You guys, last night was so much fun. I didn't really even know what we were gonna do because her and I both had really busy schedules. So she was like, okay, let's just meet up. We'll go to dinner. And she took me to one of her favorite places, which is where we ate the jun and the bakali. And then after we were like, okay, we gotta do dessert. And it turned into this whole like walking food tour situation. And that is just gonna go down as like one of my favorite nights in Busan. It was just so much fun. The way I met Bonnie is just through mutual friends here, and she's also a yoga instructor. So I went to her yoga class like almost every Wednesday of last year. I haven't been able to go this year much because I've been super busy and out of the country, back and forward. But just like so much great conversation. Another one of those gals who I just know, it's not the end of our friendship. It's like very much, I will know her for the rest of my life type of deal. She's from California, initially Korean American, and she came to Korea to live just to like kind of discover her culture a few years ago. Discover more of her culture, like living in Korea, obviously, because she grew up Korean American, so she's very much Korean. It was also the best vibes. Like, I feel like some nights you go out and it's like, whoa, it's like empty, where's everyone? But it was poppin' up until 11:30 when we left. And, you know, we only had like a couple glasses of makgeolli at dinner, so I'm not hungover at all. Just a nice full belly, which is everything I wanted out of the night. Anyways, with it being Saturday morning now, I'm gonna go ahead and close off this video and I'm gonna start a new Korea Diaries, Leaving Korea Diaries today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm also simultaneously filming a packing vlog, so I'm gonna be filming for that today, and just all good happy things. Once again, thank you so much for the support. If you have any questions about my move, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm gonna be doing just like simultaneous Q&As throughout like the next couple weeks. So feel free to leave any questions. Follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes. I love you. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're still here, please leave the Korean flag emoji in your comment. I love you, and I'll see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye guys.